In this video I'm going to show you how to do the setup of your Epson DS80W wireless portable scanner with the MacBook using a USB cable. So in the MacBook, go to the web browser, type in Epson DS80W Scanner driver. Click on the first link from the Epson. It will display your scanner image. Scroll down. Below we can see driver and utility combo package installer. Click on the download. Open this file. Double click on this install Navi. Open the file. Accept terms and conditions. You can select some details and then click on the next. On the next page it will display if you want to use your scanner as a Wi-Fi scanner or using a USB cable. So we are going to use it as a USB cable. Select it and click next. Now we have to connect the scanner. One end of the scanner is connected with the USB cable and the other end goes to your MacBook. Automatically it will detect the scanner and start the setup. So it just takes few seconds. Setup is complete. Click next. You can also select updates and click on the finish. Close all the windows. Go to the launch pad. Look for document capture. Open it. On the next page select your scanner. So that is Epson DS80W. OK. And our scanner is ready. For example, to do a scan, place a document. Now you can click the scan icon that is just on the top here, or you can just go to the app section and click this button. So you can see it has done the scanning. So this way we can do the USB setup of the scanner and start using it. Thanks for watching.